Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on May 31st, 2023. 5-star Sudoku. Column H, we have 2 and 5. So 2 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. The ninth card, 3 numbers are remaining 3, 4, 9. 8th row and 10th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. The 3 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 9. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then column H, 3 numbers are remaining 1, 6, 8. Third row, we have 6 and 8. So 6 and 8 can't come this cell. It will be another 2 cells. We confirm later. Then column H, only 1 number is remaining. 1. 1 is confirmed here. Column D, we have 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column B, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then first grid, 3 numbers are remaining. 1, 5, 9. Third row, we have 1 and 9. So 1 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Third row, second row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Then first grid, only 1 number is remaining. 5. 5 is confirmed here. Then column D, 3 numbers are remaining. 4, 7, 8. Ninth row, we have 7 and 8. So 7 and 8 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We'll confirm later. Then column D, only 1 number is remaining. 4. 4 is confirmed here. Column G, we have 5 and 3. So 5 and 3 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Fourth row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then second grid, 3 numbers are remaining. 4, 6, 7. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then column G, 3 numbers are remaining. 1, 2, 9. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Seventh row, we have 2 and 9. So 2 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Fifth row, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Then column G, only 1 number is remaining. 1. 1 is confirmed here. Fifth row and seventh row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Second row, third row, we have 9. Column I also we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column E, we have 1. 8 also we have 1. 7 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining. 4 and 6. Column I, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining. 6 and 7. Third row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then third row, 2 numbers are remaining. 3 and 4. Column I, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then third grid, 3 numbers are remaining. 2, 7, 8. Column G, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. Then 7 is confirmed here. Third grid, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then third grid, only 1 number is remaining. 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column G, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining. 3 and 8. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then column I, only 1 number is remaining. 5. 5 is confirmed here. Column B and fifth row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Seventh row, we have 1 and 5. So 1 and 5 can't come this cell. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then fourth grid, 2 numbers are remaining. 7 and 8. Column B, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then column D, only 1 number is remaining. 7. 7 is confirmed here. Sixth row, 2 numbers are remaining. 7 and 5. Column F, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column E, we have 5 and 8. So 5 and 8 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Column B, we have 8, so it can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. 8th grade, we already have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 9th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. 8th grade, column C, we have 9. So 9 can't come in these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then 8th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 6, 7. Column C, we have 6 and 7. So 6 and 7 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Column F, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 8th row, only 1 number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. Column C, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column C, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 9th row, only 1 number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Then column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. 7th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 7th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. 7th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.